You spent a few months in Amsterdam earlier this year, right? Can you talk a little bit about what you were doing there?
Yeah, so I was studying abroad on a gender, sexuality, and migration program. So I was taking classes, and living in a homestay with this very lovely Jewish woman named Hannah. And I was also part of a Yiddish circle there, which was very interesting.
What was that like?
It was really hard because they were all very good at Yiddish and I didn't know what was going on most of the time. But it was cool to see such a small group of people so committed to this group. They showed up for each other every week to talk in Yiddish and do different things, read stories. And on the last day that I was in Amsterdam, they actually were translating a letter that someone had sent to one of them, been like, do you know what this means? I just found it in my grandfather's records. Like, can you translate it? And so the whole group is getting together to translate this letter. That was about a Yiddish reading circle that existed in Amsterdam way, way back. And it was, I think, sometimes I forget sort of like how lucky we are here to have even the few institutions that do exist that are, dedicated to Yiddish. And particularly living in New York, I mean, it's like, that's where it's at. But it was really nice to be around this group of people who just like cared. And they weren't doing it for anyone besides each other. And yeah, I remember them very fondly. I'm very thankful for them.
Nice.
Yeah.